Thanks for joining me, y'all. My name's Elliott. I'm a salesman at Heritage Ford in Corning, Indiana. With me today, we're gonna be talking about this beautiful 2019 Ford Escape. It's blue in color. It's an SEL 4-wheel drive with a 1.5 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine. This bad boy does have remote start on it, so you can start this thing from right here on your key fob. It also has Ford Pass on it, so you download this app, you can remote start it from anywhere in the country. You can check all kinds of stuff up on that app too, so it's pretty nice. You get in here, we'll check it out. As you can see, it's an SEL with the leather. It's got power driver seat. It's got heated seats. It's got the big touch screen on it. Bluetooth. This thing has it all. It's got heated exterior mirrors also, but I'm gonna turn this on all the way so you can check out the Sync 3 screen on here. It's all at the touch of a finger. It's real easy. I'm gonna show you the back seat here too. It does have those really nice WeatherTech liners in it also. I'm gonna show you how to set up Apple CarPlay on your phone. It's actually pretty simple. First thing you do is have a lightning cable or a USB cable plugged into your vehicle, whatever it takes. This is a 2019 Escape, so that's what it takes. But you click on your settings. This is normally what's gonna pop up, your clock and all this stuff. But we're gonna click on Apple CarPlay. We'll plug our phone in. And you gotta unlock your phone for it to initially start up. But that's what it looks like. So it's basically your phone screen right here. But you got your maps and you got your music. I got an NBA app, so you can look at that when the games are on and all that cool stuff. But yeah, there's a few more things you can see. Messages, Ford, your settings, Spotify, Zoom. You can see all those different things. But let's click on Spotify. Let's play some music. Let's just see what's good out there recently played. And it's that easy. So you play music like that. If you get a text message, shows up on your screen, which is really nice.
The time has finally arrived.
Got an advertisement from Spotify there. But that's pretty much it on the Apple CarPlay. It's pretty easy to set up, pretty easy to use. But you guys can also reach out to me if you have any questions on this. And I'm also going to show you the back. See the 4-wheel drive badge right here. Yeah, this is a local vehicle we just got in. It's got just over 4,000 miles on it. Like I said, it's a 2019 Ford Escape. It's beautiful blue color. It's got the black leather interior, heated seats to keep you warm. But if you guys have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle, just give me a call or let me know. 812-738-3284. Thanks for watching.